this example I have tan theta times sine theta plus cosine theta equals to secant theta. So it will be sine theta over cosine theta multiplied by sine theta plus cosine theta. And then what I can do, I just multiply these two together. So sine and sine multiplied together is going to be sine squared divided by cosine theta plus cosine theta, and then we have plus cosine. So what we need to do, we need to do common denominator. So I have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, because cosine theta over 1 is going to be cosine squared theta over cosine. And we know sine squared plus cosine squared is always 1. So 1 over cosine theta, and that's going to be equal to secant theta. As we know, secant is the inverse of cosine.